Hi, here we're going to see a demo of the Inventory Management System app. This project was developed as part of the master's program at University of Washington for the course Database System and Design. So this app is, we have used um, Node.js as the backend part for the backend and the Express for UI. And we had connected to the AWS RDS instance as the persistence layer. But for the demo purposes, I'm showing it over the local database. Now, this is a very simple inventory management system app which the grocery managers can use to update the items present in their grocery store. They can view the items, they can add an item, and they can update the price for an item. And also, it can also be used for the analysis purposes, like if there is a price hike of more than a certain amount, it would show up because, and this can help with the tracking of the price gouging and other and further analysis. So I have right now created the database, which is called the inventory DB. We have the following tables, which can be used for tracking the item details and also for the login purpose for the managers. We also have two triggers, which is in the item details table, which is the category trigger. Category trigger is nothing but if you're adding a new item and if that specific category is not present in the already present in the store, this would first add the category to the category table and then add the items into the item details table. If there's also the second trigger, which is the item price trigger, which is used for identifying which are the items which have had a price hike of more than $5 in this case, but it can be used for in the real world scenario, it would be more than that. And if there is a price hike of more than $5, uh, it would first insert it into the item details table. That is, it would update the price in the details table, and then it also inserts the row into the rip of items table. Now let's just first go ahead and run the program. I've already started the server. As you can see, the database is connected successfully. Now let's go to the app. So this is the landing page for the inventory management system app. The users can either log in if the manager is already registered with the system. He can log in with those details. But if he's a new user, then if a new manager has arrived for this particular grocery store, he can register himself. So we'll first go ahead and register a manager. Say Jade Smith, and the username is, say, let's use the Jade Smith itself. And if we submit the form without entering all the details, it would notify the user to enter the details. So we'll go ahead and suppose we try to enter A, it doesn't allow because it has been set to a number. And now we'll select the password, and also the password, if it doesn't match, it would not register the user. You have to enter the details again, and it also notifies the user that it is not matched. So let's go ahead and finish off the registration part for Jade Smith. Say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Female 1 2 3 4 4. Register. So manager is added successfully. Please log in now. So let's log in with Jade Smith. 1 2 3. Say suppose I enter a wrong password. No, I think I entered the correct password. Okay. Suppose let me see. Okay, let's just verify the password for this. I don't remember it now. Okay, so Jade Smith has a password of 1 2 3 4. I entered 5. So it will tell me that the invalid username or password, please enter the right credentials or register if you're a new user. So we'll just go ahead and enter our right password 1234 and then login. So this is the landing page for the inventory management system. Now the manager can view the items which are already present in this inventory. Say we have the category electronics, fruits and vegetables. Now let's go ahead and add a new entry into this inventory. Say fruits, we'll add cherries. So we'll go ahead and add the item cherries. Category is fruits. Quantity is say 20 and price per item is say 3.99 and then we submit. So as you can see, the item has already been added. Now let's go ahead and try to add the same item once again. Should give me an error. Fruits, say quantity 25 and price is say 60. Just a random number. Item already exists, so it doesn't get added. So let's go ahead and check. It did not get added. Now let's go ahead and add an item which doesn't have a category name here. Say, for example, toys is not available here. So let's go ahead and add a toy. Say, so Lego blocks, toys. Say quantity is like 20 packs of Lego blocks have come up. Say mega blocks, and it's like price is like say 12.99, and then I submit. Even though the category was not available in the category table, the trigger helped in identifying that the toys category is not available. So it first added the toys category into the category table and then it added the item Lego blocks into the item table. So that is where the foreign key uh, it doesn't give you a foreign key violation. Now let's go ahead and delete an item. Say I'm gonna delete cherries and then I submit it. Now, as you can see, cherries has been submitted. Now, let's go ahead and delete the item again. Cherries. Cherries has already been deleted, so item does not exist. Now, let's go ahead and update an item. So let's first go ahead and check out the price for the one of the items. The apple is $2, so let's increase it to $5. Apple $5 and then I submit the item. So the price is now updated. Now let's go ahead and update the Apple price to say more than $5. So it should get updated into the rip of items table. So 5, so it's 5, it was already 5. So we'll just go ahead and update it to $12. Then I submit it. So the Apple price has got updated to $12. Now let's go ahead and check out the rip of items table. It should be adding a entry into the rip of items table because the price is more than $5. The price hike is more than $5. So older price was 5, now increased by $7. So it has been added into the rip of items table. Now let's go ahead and change the price to say more than $20 for the Apple. So it's like 12. Let's change it to $40 and then submit. So that means it's a huge price gouging that's happening in terms of price hike. So it should be monitored and this would help in the analysis purposes. Now let's go ahead and check the price hike. The price hike, it has been hiked by more than $20. So the price hike is now 28. So let's go ahead and check the rip of items table. Price hike was the price hike was $28 and yeah, it was price hiked by $28. Now let's go ahead and check the views. It would be this page is getting displayed from the view which we created for for a price hike of more than $20. So as we can go and check here, It is again a trigger that would update the price hike table. This is a view which we created for price hike of more than $20. So this is what is getting shown up over here. Now let's go ahead and hike a price for one more item from by more than $20. Say for Lego blocks we increase the price by more than $20. So let's go ahead and update that. Say $50. Now it gets updated here that it has been updated to $50, but if we go ahead and check out the view price hike, it has been increased by 37.01. And if we go ahead and check over here, you can see that it has been updated in the view price hike view table. I mean view. So and now that's pretty much it with the system. It's a very simple system wherein the grocery manager can view items, add an item even if the category is not present, and delete an item, and update the item price, and also for the analysis purposes view price hike. Now if you log out, it takes you to the landing page. Thank you.